Anne is the epitome of integrity. She is always the first to arrive in the morning and the last to leave at the end of each day. She designs and implements programs that are in tune to each of the residents' needs. She is very aware of the personal challenges each resident faces, while also finding the good in each person. She creates an environment that gives people the opportunity to live out their goodness. This past year, Anne designed an engagement tool that serves to engage the residents, their families, and staff. Her personal integrity is in alignment with the Covenant Health value of integrity.
Honesty and dependability are the best words to describe the facilities, maintenance, and engineering team. They are committed to doing the right thing, even when it is challenging or inconvenient. An example of this was over the past Christmas holidays when the heating system needed repair work. The team jumped into action, setting up a temporary heating system to ensure staff, patients, and the building were kept warm. The team was uncompromising in keeping the system running smoothly, even if it meant extra work over the holidays. The Misericordia runs efficiently thanks to the contribution of the facilities, maintenance, and engineering team working diligently behind the scenes. Louisa practices integrity by helping patients to identify their goals in the rehabilitation process and then effectively assists them. Occasionally, this requires her to assist patients and families to see what is realistic and achievable within those goals. Louisa influences the team and the functioning of the department through her attitude of generosity and justice. As the quiet presence, Louisa speaks not with her mouth, but with her actions, the hallmark of a genuine leader. Louisa challenges those around her to not settle for mediocrity, but to be the best version of themselves by modeling this behavior, a behavior that is not contrived, but an authentic expression of Louisa's character.
Marilyn is very dedicated to her work and always follows best practice guidelines. She shares her knowledge with others, which ensures everyone knows the best way to complete the job. One example of this is when she was getting inconclusive results from a test sample, even though she followed all the steps. She spent hours going over each step in detail and discovered an uncommon problem with the sample that required it to be sent out for further testing. Marilyn demonstrates integrity as she pays close attention to detail and seeks the highest quality outcomes.
Pam shows integrity by responding appropriately to the needs that arise in each situation. She takes time to explain to families and residents the changes experienced in transferring to a long-term care facility and recognizes the fears and losses associated with the process. Pam guides the team responsibly and makes the necessary adjustments for the benefit of the residents. She isn't afraid to step into difficult situations and make hard decisions. Resident-centered care is Pam's top priority, and she addresses issues quickly to ensure each resident's quality of life is maintained. Peter shows integrity in every decision he makes, even when it may not be easy. If there's a problem that needs to be solved, Peter always acts in a logical and professional manner. He deals with the small issues before they become big, while ensuring he listens to the staff and validates their ideas and concerns. Peter is able to remain impartial and focused while moving forward with strategic planning within his department. Peter is a great leader and a breath of fresh air on the difficult days.
The recreation therapy team at St. Therese Villa works hard to improve the quality of life and sense of purpose that the residents often desire. The rec therapy team is instrumental in the overall well-being of the residents. They always go above and beyond to accommodate the residents, and in return, the residents appreciate the variety of programs that the team plans for them. The team puts together many different activities such as summer barbecues, games, and outings to go shopping. They also allow the residents the opportunity to help with activities such as school lunch programs. Because of the team's commitment to integrity, the residents feel appreciated and engaged.
Tracy lives integrity. She goes to work every day with the goal to do right for the organization and a commitment to maintaining the community reputation of Covenant Health. One example of this is when there was a conflict between two parties, and Tracy jumped into action to resolve the problem. Tracy leveraged her value of integrity through interventions delivered with truth, transparency, and compassion, which created an environment to move forward out of the conflictual situation. Tracy is a dynamic leader who has a reputation for advocating for her team members and their staff in situations that may be deemed ethically complex by the organization or challenging within the community.